Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is week two of the research class or credit recovery class. Let me kind of explain what we'll be doing this week. A couple of things though. For my first period, you want to go ahead and bring in your medical forms so we can have that information on file in case something happens to you. We need to make sure that that form is accurate and has all the right information. The second thing is everyone needs to return your paperwork, your permission form that you have to sign yourself, and you have to get your parents to sign it. Remember, it's two sheets of paper, but one of them's back and front, so everybody has to sign 3 times. Make sure you get that stuff back this week so I can put your class on, because this is how we want the class to kind of work. If you're an A-Day student, we want you to work on your Schoology assignments Monday and Tuesday, and work on your class Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at home. If you're a B student, we want you to work on your class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then work on your Schoology assignments Thursday and Friday. Okay, if we take a look at this week's assignments, there are 3 of them. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong class right there, but there are 3 of them. So if you go ahead and click on week 2, you'll see that assignment 2, you have to do something with the careers, answer some questions, and then assignment 3, you're going to go ahead and you're going to choose 2 careers, and then you're going to answer some questions about those careers that you want to do. Okay, and then assignment 4, you're going to do some goal setting things. There's a template on there. Go ahead and download that, and then answer the questions on that and send it back to me. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Please get your paperwork in this week so that you can go ahead and get started. All right, have a good one. See you in class.